Hello everyone, welcome to mywealthrobot.com, and in this particular video we're going to talk about what is the easiest way you can make money online, and not only the easiest but the cheapest route that you can go. I know some of you may have a low paying job that you may be looking for a better solution or a better way to do things. Maybe you're looking for a side hustle or whatever your reason is. I'm here to show you what you can do at the bare minimum of what you have, what you can do to easily start generating money online. Now, uh, this particular website is called The Balance Small Business. You can go to this particular website up here, and it shows you top 10 online wholesale directory sites. You may be asking yourself, well, what is a wholesale directory site? A wholesale directory site is basically where people go buy things in bulk, and they want, once they buy them in bulk, they bring it to their warehouse, or bring it to their garage, or to their apartment or their home, or wherever your place of residence. They basically break down whatever is in there. Basically, the boxes are basically just returns that major retail chains may not want to deal with. And 9 times out of 10, they really don't want to sort through all those things. So mostly what you're buying is customer returned items. Okay, I want you to understand what's going on here. The strategy that I'm giving you. You are buying basically customer returned items. That doesn't mean something that's wrong is wrong with all of the items, but it just does mean you are buying returned items. Okay. Now, if we could go here, we can go and pick any one of these, and you can check them out yourself, guys. Alibaba is a famous one. This basically, what Alibaba and AliExpress, what the most of the online people that's in Amazon FBA, that is what they're using. Basically, Alibaba and AliExpress and stuff like that. But that those particular items are new. You're buying those particular items from China. Remember, I want to try to make this particular video simple as possible. So, what we can do, which I have pulled up here for you already, is you can go to bulk.com, spelled BULQ, not K. But you can go to this particular website, you guys, and you can just go to electronics. You can see what they have. As you can see, some may start off at $1,000, basically, because you're dealing with electronics. So the prices are going to be much higher, but it differs. Okay, you can get this particular one for just only $314. Okay, let's scroll down a little bit more. We have a pallet here for $95. We have one here for $869. One here for $584. Okay, we can just keep scrolling down. Look, you have one right here for $268. Then you also have one for $1,300. So it just depends on what box that you're purchasing, and how you want to go about doing things. So it's really up to you. Now, you may be asking, well, where are you going with this? I mean, okay, maybe if I purchase one of these pallets, I mean, what do I do now? Well, you could purchase one of these pallets, okay, or boxes, because the pallets are a little bit more expensive, of course, because they have more higher ticket items. You could buy one of these boxes or pallets if you have the money, and you can bring it to your house. You could go pick it up via maybe U-Haul truck or Enterprise truck or Penske truck. You could go to the actual warehouses You can look this up online, and you can go to the auctions, buy a particular box or a pallet, put it in your little U-Haul truck, and literally bring this to your house. Get the box, sort everything out, take out what's good, and you can take out also what's bad, and you can take it and post things online. Now, you could go to places like eBay. You go to places like ebay.com, and you can host take your particular items that you just bought from online. You can I'm sorry for the pause, you guys. It was a train coming, so I kind of didn't want to put that on the video. But you can take these particular items, and you can put them on here. You can list them online. You can sell things online. See, you can come buy a whole entire box for maybe. You go here, buy a box for maybe $300 or $400. Take whatever's left in there, whatever that's left and usable. You could take take those and just list them on eBay, you guys. I come on YouTube. Guess what? It's a lot of people doing it. It's a lot of people making good money off of it. This guy is Ranking Profit. He's been around a while, so I've been checking his videos out for the last 1 or 2 years now. Here it is again. Ultimate for eBay, Amazon, Rockstar Flipper. You have all these different different channels that you can pull up and do your own research and do your own due diligence to check behind what I say. Not just going off of what I'm telling you. I'm actually showing you evidence that people are actually doing this. Okay? See? People are actually doing this stuff. You guys, he just put that particular video up an hour ago. Some people, like this particular video, some people have actually quit their jobs. They are making so much money from doing these type of things, you guys. They are actually leaving their 9-to-5s and working full time from home off their laptop. This is what some people are doing. Now, am I guaranteeing results for you? Of course not. Every case is different. Everyone is different. So it just depends on what are you trying to do. Okay? All right, let's check. Go down some more. See, you have all these boxes. See this? You have all these boxes. All right. There are people doing this, you guys. There are people that is making money. Now, is this my number one way of making money? No. I have a link below in the description to my website that show you actually the best way of making money online, and that you can take advantage of this opportunity, and you can see for yourself. Go through the webinar, or go through the training, and you can see, is this a good fit for you, or isn't it? I mean, it's really up to you. Now, let's see. This particular website, you can come here, top10wholesale.com. Again, you have Walmart up here. See, Walmart liquidations, pallets, truckloads. This is what's going on, you guys. This is what these guys are doing. Leaving their jobs. This is what they're doing. Okay, they're leaving their jobs. So, see, I don't know. Actually, I didn't play that particular video. I want to get a copy right strike here. But this is what they are doing. Some people are, like I said, making a full-time income off of this. You guys, as I said again, you can come here. You come to eBay. You can sell it. People sell it. People sell stuff on eBay all the time, guys. You probably bought some stuff from eBay. I know I have. Either eBay or Amazon. You know, you can pick which one you want to sell on. But if we go back to this particular website, it's more than one website that you guys. It's not just bulk.com. Okay, there's other websites out there. You can go and search, and you can find stuff on your own. Find websites on your own that you can do things with. Let's see here. We even have some name brand stuff. You have truck pallets here. See, liquidation.com. Let's see what else we got down here. You have games, electronics, apparel, shirts, whatever. I mean, it's whatever suit, whatever you want to do. It's just that, you know, if you don't have a lot of money to start, you don't have a lot of money to invest. If you don't have a lot of money to invest, you don't have a large amount of money or any type of way that you can get hands on a lot of money. This is the absolute. Well, I wouldn't say the absolute, because it may be an even cheaper way than this. I will make another video on that, where people are actually flipping cell phones. But in this particular video, this is the absolute one of the lowest ways that you can do this, you guys. If you don't have a lot of money, if you want to make money from home, if you want to make money online, as I said, this is not my number one recommendation. It's not my number one recommendation, you know, but this is a way to get your foot in the door by doing something simple as buying something that's cheap, you know, and just selling it on eBay for a little bit of profit. Even some here, I just mentioned it, smartphones and tablets. See, even Apple products. As I say, some of these items may be, you know, it may not be functional, but let's say you're a little bit handy. Maybe you know how to fix a smartphone or a tablet. It's even money in fixing and flipping phones too, you guys. Okay, so I just wanted to bring this quick video and show you that there are options out there that you can do, which I said is not my number one recommendation, but there are options that you can do right now with a small amount of money that you have in your pocket right now that you could go and try to do something with. Maybe you could build it on up, and maybe you could take on a better opportunity that I have for you in the description below. Okay, you guys, so that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.